How to create John Lewis account. So if you want to create a John Lewis account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for John Lewis. And once you've searched, here on the first search, you will have www.johnlewis.com. Click on that. And after that, it will take you to the website. So now you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And once you click on sign in, now you can simply scroll down, and here you will have create an account option. So if you want to create an account, then simply click on create an account, and here you need to enter your email address on the first blank. And once you enter your email address, here you need to create a password. So make sure to enter a password which is at least 8 to 60 characters, and it should include one number, one uppercase letter, and one lowercase letter. So simply create a password, a strong one. And once you've created your password, in here, if you want to subscribe, then click on yes, subscribe to all. But if you don't want to, then click on no. You can choose any one of that. And then click on create account. And now you have received a code to the email address that you have just entered. So simply open up your mail, and here you will have your mail. Scroll down, and here you will have your code. Simply copy this code and paste it here. But if you didn't receive the code, then you can click on haven't received the code, so that you can again click on resend and you will again get the code. And click on continue once you enter your code. And now you can select a title. And after that, enter your first name, and then here you can enter your last name, and here you need to enter your mobile number and then your country. So after entering your first name and your last name, here you need to enter your mobile number, and here you need to enter your country. So simply click on the drop down bar, and then you can choose your country. And once you've chosen, now scroll down, and again here you need to start typing your address for your postal code. And once you enter that, here you can click on I agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can go for join for free. And once you click on that, it will create your account and it will automatically log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you create your John Lewis account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.